Vivo launched its new V series phone in India called Vivo V50, with all new AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V50 features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad-curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V50 sports a Zeiss-featured dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.29 by 76.72 by 7.57 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V50 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 34,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 36,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 40,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in titanium gray, starry night, and rose red color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from February 25th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.